In this video, I will talk about the button on Wix. So at the very first, we need to open our Wix editor, and then we need to go to here add element, and then if we will go to the buttons, then at the first we can see themed button. It's mean on this button will be designed as per our site theme that we have designed here. If I will click here, then I can see the site design from here, and this is our theme. So based on the theme, the design we can see here, the buttons, those are the themed buttons. We can use them. And then if we will go here, text and icon button, it's mean on this button it will be include the button with the icon or text. Like as we can see on this button have an icon at the very right side, and we can customize the icon as per we want. So if I will go to the settings here, then we can see we can choose a link, and we can link it with any of the things, like as a page. We can link it on our any of the pages on our website, and here is the web address section or anchor top bottom document. We can link any button with the email, with phone number or lightbox as well. And then we can see here the choose icon button. It's mean we can change the icon on this button. So if I will click here replace icon, then there have option to upload the icon from my site. Like as if I will use this image, we need to use HVG for the button. So let me go to a website. Let me type on Google download HVG, and then we can see a website here. There have a lot of websites look like that way. So we need a right arrow, and if I will find it here, then we can see different kind of right arrow. So let me use the green one. Let me download it with the HVG format. Let me go to Wix editor, and let me upload the media here. And here is the HVG. Open. It's only 2 kilobyte. Let me choose file. You can see the button has been changed, the icon, and let me change the background from here. We can make it black, this color. And on the button have option for the layout. It's mean from which side will be the icon. We can put the icon look like that way. And here is the alignment. We can make it middle alignment, and we can keep it look like that way. And here have option, if we want to use the text only, there have option to use the text only, text and icon. We can use only the icon as well, and here is nothing, only like as a shape. Okay, and then here have a space between text and icon. It's mean this text and this icon, how much space we want to put, we can do it from here. And here is the alignment. This is the alignment. Let me make it middle. And here have option for the design. We can go to customize design, and we can see here we can change the background that we have done right now, and we can change here the text color. We can make it whatever we want to do. We can put the border on it, like as 3 pixel border, and to see it perfectly I am giving another color here to Studio, and here is the corner. We can put here the corner like is 10 pixel, and then the button will be look like that. We can put the shadow here as well. Okay, and we can put the padding and icon, the icon size. Okay, and here is the color as well, and here have the hover. On hover, how looking we want it, and we can make it same here. Apply regular design, so the regular design and hover design will be same. We can change something, so we can see the interactive things when we will hover over on it. If I will make it publish, then let me go from here, visit site, and then if I will hover over on it, I can see the change. Okay, and there have more option like as icon button. It's mean they are only the icon, and we can link them as a button. Like as if I want it, you can see this is a button. We can link it, we can give animation, we can do the design as well the same way. And then here is the image button. Those are image button. It's an icon. We can change the image, and we can give another design when it will hover over. Okay, here is the clicked, hover, and regular, and we can link it with the same way, and we can design it as well here, which icon we want. We can put the icon whatever we want. And if I will go to the next one, document button, like as we can link here the doc file, the Excel file, the presentation file, PDF file, whatever we want. And here we can see iTunes button. We can link iTunes here, and here have the pay button. We can link here the donate button as well. Here is the PayPal button. We can include the PayPal button from here to accept the payment on website. So like that way you can work with the button on Wix. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.